How to log in to Dayforce HCM account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Dayforce HCM account. Dayforce HCM, also known as Human Capital Management, is a cloud-based platform developed by Ceridian. It integrates various HR functionalities into a single system, offering comprehensive solutions for managing an organization's workforce. So here's how you can log into your Dayforce account. First of all, make sure you have already created an account on it. Now open any browser on your device and at the search bar type the official website of Dayforce, dayforce@cm.com. Make sure you enter the correct keyword here. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Once it loads, you will be taken to the official website of Dayforce. Here you will find the login interface, where you'll have to enter the name of the company or the ID provided to you. After that, enter your username and the password. These are usually provided to you by your employer's HR department. Once you have entered all the credentials, click on this login button and you'll be able to log into your Dayforce account. If in case you are not able to log into your account, you can click on this Can't Access Your Account option at the bottom of this login button and follow the on-screen prompts to recover your account. Once you are logged into your account, you can access various features such as payroll, benefits, time tracking, and more. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.